What if I told you that in this crypto revolution there are several ways to earn passive income without buying and selling cryptocurrencies? Let's take the example of this guy who created CoinSwitch as a side hustle in 2017 while working full-time as an interior designer. Today, the value of his exchange office is estimated at an incredible $1.9 billion. In this tutorial, I will show you a few crypto side hustle methods that will bring you extra income in 2022. So, let's get started. Hello friends, welcome to the new video on the Passive Income Academy channel. My name is Boris, welcome to my channel where you can expect weekly videos on passive income methods and make money online strategies. We'll talk about affiliate marketing, dropshipping, drop servicing, cryptocurrencies, forex trading, and investing in index funds and shares of companies. If this is the content you are interested in, like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. There will be some news on the channel soon, so be sure to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss out these important updates. Today we are talking about interesting ways to make money in the crypto world without buying and selling cryptocurrencies. Crypto side hustle number 1. Selling USB crypto wallet. You know when you walk into a mall or a bigger store and see gift cards from Amazon, PayPal and other big companies. What if there's a chance to sell crypto gift cards or USB crypto wallets where people who buy your crypto gift card USB wallet could give their employees or friends Bitcoin or some other cryptocurrency? What's the idea? First you have to find customers, of course. It takes time, and the best source of free way is to contact technology companies because it will be the most interesting to them. Only when you gather a certain number of people who are interested, you will go to Alibaba and look for USB hardware wallets and go into action. If you see that the business is starting to grow, you can create your Shopify e-commerce website and scale the business to a much higher level, because then you will already have the funds for paid advertising. Remember that the most important thing is to find your customers first before you start creating inventory. Crypto side hustle number 2. Become a crypto financial advisor. Imagine an old school securities market where you always have people who are financial advisors. It's a $1 billion industry just in stocks and other things. Now ask yourself if there are financial advisors in the crypto world. Well, the answer is that there are, but most of them are shady. This means that there is a great chance for all those who are interested in educating themselves in this area and in this market. So, how do you get started? Well, the answer is simple. You have to start learning. The first step is to subscribe to the blog and study as much material and read as much content as possible. Also follow influential people from the crypto world that you can easily find on Google and Twitter. The second step is to invest your money. These do not have to be enormous amounts. You will understand the market best, and on the other hand, you will focus on learning more if you invest some of your money in the cryptocurrency market and try to learn how it works and what factors are interrelated and why one phenomenon leads to a number of others. These were some of the two initial ways to earn passive income that are relatively simple. As we go through to the following strategies, there will be more complex, but the earning potential will be much bigger. Crypto side hustle number 3. Start an NFT index fund. When you think of indexes when it comes to stocks, most investors hold over 80% of their portfolio in index funds. When we return to the OpenSea and NFT market, we realize that you are investing a huge amount of money in just one item, hoping it will explode to make your return on investment greater. But what would happen if they bought NFT as indexes and had 3 NFTs for the same money? This would significantly reduce our risk, but of course it would also reduce the percentage of earnings. A 16-year-old kid made his NFT collection where when you buy one NFT from him, you get access to several different NFTs. He didn't totally position it as an NFT index, but some simpler way is to ask your 5 to 10 friends to lend you $500 or $1,000 each, and now you have a $5,000 pool. And now everything you buy is shared between your friends instead of you taking the complete risk. Crypto side hustle number 4. Become a crypto online or offline teacher. For this strategy, it's necessary to focus on exactly one topic from the crypto world and become an expert. There is a story about a guy who provided such detailed reports on Ethereum that people started paying him just to share his opinion with them on various topics. Another way is to create your digital product, your course, or to organize Zoom meetings with people who are interested in your narrow sphere of the crypto world and to charge them for courses and meetings. There is so much information on the internet today that you can monetize because most people are lazy to research on their own and will rather pay someone to teach them something and serve that information for granted. Another source of information is Reddit. You have too many sources like Reddit Crypto, Reddit Solana, Reddit Ethereum where you can find early information from the crypto world. Crypto side hustle number 5. Crypto whale tracker. I'll ask you a question. If you could copy which stocks Warren Buffett buys and sells, would you do it? Simply, if you're a total beginner, the best advice is to copy the most successful people from that industry. There is no need to invent new strategies, and you are wasting time and money trying to do everything yourself. There is a site and app that can give you public access to all wallets on blockchain. Just start tracking their transactions and copy what they do. Of course, if you don't want to buy and sell, you can become a crypto tracker. You can do your service on Fiverr and create a gig for, let's say, follow the top 5 crypto wallets and sell your gig for $5. Now you are wondering what you need to do and how professional you need to be. You can do it literally manually by refreshing the app once a day and seeing what people are doing and sending them a report on Fiverr. It couldn't be simpler than that. As we said before, people are too lazy to do research themselves, and that is why you need to position yourself with your service and price. The link of the app that monitors all transactions will be left to you in the first comment of this video. Crypto side hustle number 6. NFT verifier. Help customers verify the authenticity of NFT. The NFT marketplace is a huge market and probably the market with the highest percentage of scams. If you think everyone would pay $5 to $10 to verify the authenticity of NFT, how can you do that? You can create your own WordPress website where you offer as a service NFT verifier and where you will manually research the NFT that client sent you and give feedback to the customer whether it's reliable or scam NFT item. As the NFT market is increasingly established, why are there no NFT authentication companies? And that you will probably say now, Boris, it has been verified on the blockchain, but it's totally confusing for new people in this world. Crypto side hustle number 7. NFT insurance company. A lot of people have secured their pictures of Picasso, their Rolexes, their wine cellars. Why not their NFTs? NFT disappeared from your account. Someone hacked your account. So, how to get started? Find the best insurance company and get in touch with the person who could help you create this type of service and how to start the whole process. This can become the most profitable business model in the upcoming months and years since NFT marketplace will continue to grow and develop. Crypto side hustle number 8. Crypto gambling. The world of crypto gambling has huge potential. Why? Because there are no government organizations that tell people what they are allowed to do and what they are not allowed to do and do not set any restrictions, especially when it comes to transactions and card payments, where in the past many were forbidden to deposit on their accounts using credit cards. This is a bigger investment and project and for people who have experience in the world of programming. If you have no experience, find the people who can help you create your own crypto gambling website, and after testing and launching the website live, you will easily get the first users on the site through various advertising channels. That would be all for this video. We hope you liked the ideas and that you were inspired to start your own crypto side hustle in 2022. In the comment, feel free to write us which idea you liked the most. Thanks everyone who watched this video. This is the beginning of an interesting and exciting adventure. If you want to be a part of it, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and smash the like button, because that way we will reach more people and help the YouTube algorithm to rank our video. Also make sure to turn on the notification bell, because that way I can send you a notification every time I upload a brand new awesome strategy like this one, so you won't miss out. Make sure to follow us on Instagram, because once we reach 1000 followers, I will be giving away $100 PayPal giveaway money. Until the next video, big greetings from our YouTube channel. Cheers!